Hi everyone, we're going to find the first term and common difference of a arithmetic sequence where the 8th term is 44 and the 13th term is 24. And we're going to find the first term and the common difference so we can write a recursive and explicit formula. Now I already set up the system, so let me explain what I did. The question is, if the 8th term, you have this long list of numbers. So if the 8th term is 44, and if the 13th term is 24, then what is the first term and the common difference? And we need that to do this. So basically, this 8 and 13th is your n. That's your number of terms in the sequence. So what we're going to do is use this explicit formula. That's what I do. And I write this as my 8th term, that's the nth term of the sequence, is your first term plus n minus 1 times d. Well, your n is the 8. So 8 minus 1 is 7. This is where the 7 comes from. Since it's n minus 1, it's always 1 less than this number. So for the second part, 13, this will be 12. So now we already have the system. We just write a plus 7t equals 44. And then we have a plus 12t equals 24. Now, arithmetic sequences are linear, and now we have a system of linear equations. So we're going to use the process of elimination. Eliminate the a. A minus a is 0. 7d minus 12d is negative 5d. And 44 minus 24d is 20. Divide both sides by negative 5, so d is negative 4. And just like with other linear equations, we're just going to plug that negative 4 in using substitution. A plus 7 times negative 4 equals 44. And we're solving for A now because we have our first term. We need our common difference. So add 28 to both sides. So A is going to equal, let me erase this. It's going to be 12, 6, 72. So A is 72 and D is negative 4. So A is 72 and D is negative 4. I'm just going to double check that. Yep. All right. So now that we have our A and D, we're just going to fill out these two formulas with the recursive with just the D and with the explicit formula with just the D and the A. So the recursive formula, just write A sub n equals, this is what it's saying, your current term is your previous term minus 4. Your common difference is negative 4, or plus a negative 4. All right. Now your explicit formula, just write A sub n, and 72 is your first term, plus n minus 1 times negative 4. For this one, we are going to have to simplify. So we have A sub n equals 72. Go ahead and distribute that, minus 4n plus 4. So this is going to give you A sub n equals 76 minus 4n. And that's your final answer. The explicit formula is also known as the nth term. But when they says find the nth term, or the nth formula, that's the same as the explicit formula. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.